Live hard, live hard. So with me today, this is the Mercedes-Benz C-Class Cabriolet, and straight away, let me just show you guys. So this is the Mercedes logo on the grille and even on the bonnet. So these are the triple LED multi-beam LED headlamps, and those are the LED DRLs with projector headlamps, and those also work as the side turning indicators, the LED DRLs, and those are the front parking sensors, and even same on the other side. So let me open the hood of the car. So there you can see that Mercedes logo on the hood. So this is a Mercedes-Benz C-Class C300 petrol engine, and this is only available in one variant, that is the petrol variant. So let me close it to the third. Okay, it didn't. Let me leave it for a while. So these are the dual tone Mercedes Benz 7-incher diamond cut alloy wheels, and these look very good on this car. And then Mercedes logo over there, and that's the brake caliper. And these are the side turning indicators with ORVMs, and the roof is finished in red color. And this is a cabriolet, and we can just convert this car into a open top, or else whatever you wanna call. So that's the chrome lining running around the vehicle, around and around, and once again it goes up from there and that side connects to that side over there. So this car is like pretty good. uh so those multi-beam LED written over there. So this car is like a very spectacular looking, and it's mind-boggling in this color, in this particular color. So this is the fuel gauge of the car. You need to press it and then open it. So there you will fill petrol, and then it says C300 over there. And let me open the boot of the car. It actually opens from inside. So yeah, that's the holder to just close it, and there is no space in boot. The spare tire eats all the space away, and even this is a convertible, so Mercedes Benz logo over there. So the roof is gonna just sit over there, so that is why there is a hump. Yeah, let me close it. Done. And these are the full LED tail lamps with side indicators, and that's the brake light, that's an LED. And those are the beautiful exhaust tips which are finished in chrome all around. So those were the rear parking sensors you have seen. Let me enter into the rear seats of the car. This is a 4-seater, and frameless doors, Burmester sound system with tweeters over there. And then let me open this. Those are the rear seats. You need to open it by just pressing that button. It's gonna move automatically forward. Yeah, move it. So now I'll try to get inside the car. Yeah, it's pretty comfortable in the rear seats. There is no that amount of legroom as the C class, but yeah, this is a cabriolet, then you can just think about it. There's a mesh over there, and that's the wind velocity changer, or else the AC velocity changer. So these are the rear seats which are very comfortable, and Burmester sound system over there with the tweeters. And the seats are also scooped out. There is nothing big problem with that. Yeah, once again, if you just press it, then it's gonna move back. Yeah, so the doors are also very well finished. Fit and finish is very good in this car. Moving on to the driver's side, the doors are not chrome finished, but those are of body color. But yeah, those look better on this car. So that's the gear indicator, and right side you have the tachometer, left side you have the speedometer, you have the fuel meter over there, and then EQ power. You have the just boosting of EQ, or else electric. That's for reading lights, and yeah, those are the reading lights. So that's the Mercedes me call. That's the call for SOS, and that's for sunglass holder with a light. And this is a mirror with a light over there, and then same on the other side, mirror with a light. So that's for infotainment system, and right side you have a cruise control and for the TFT display. So this is the button to just open the uh, central compartment or else the armrest. So that's the touchpad to just control that infotainment system. So let me turn on the car. Yeah, it rests to life and it's just about 1000 rpm. And then the fit and finish in this car is very well, and you have those blue illumination lighting only on the doors, not on the uh, dashboard. So that's a wooden finish, and there you have a 12-volt charging socket with two cup holders and some wireless charging pad. That's the Mercedes Benz clock, and those are the buttons for that infotainment system. That's a 12-inch unit. So yeah, around 12-inch, I'm like just approximately. So let me open that. Yeah, now it's gonna open when I press it. So inside you have one SD card slot with two USB ports, or else you can call them charging ports, and storage to keep stuff over there. So just let me close it. And then that is for auto start stop, and that's for driver's rear view monitor, and that's for parking sensors on and off, that's for driving modes, and that's for the volume adjuster or volume rocker, whatever you want to call it. So that's the first seat belt, which opens like this when the vehicle is in running position, or else it's gonna move. So if the passenger didn't put on or fasten their seat belts, so that's gonna come forward. So the steering is also pretty good, same as the Mercedes. It doesn't get flat bottom because this is not an AMG. So yeah, and then there are like four touchpads in this car. So now let me open this beautiful roof of the car. Yeah, that is how it opens, and then it closes over there. Now it became a completely convertible vehicle. So yeah, this is how it's gonna look without the roof of this car, or else this machine. It looks very beautiful, man. It's like really beautiful. So it's the same when you are just putting it, or else pulling it upwards. That toggler, if you pull it upwards, then it's gonna open. This is the thing what it happens when you pull it upwards, and if you just push it downwards, then the roof is gonna go off. Yeah, that's the car, how it's gonna look without the roof. Back home, guys. So this is how the car was. A bit of disturbance in the showroom, so that is why I have given voiceover. Each and every showroom was like that. So stay tuned for the new videos and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to hit that like button and hit that bell icon also, just to in case if I upload any video, you might receive the notification as soon as possible. So the car was very spectacular, mind-boggling, whatever you can call it, and that's even pretty basic as a C class, but it adds few elements, like like just the lights are a bit good than compared to the C class, and of course it's convertible or a cabriolet, you can call it. That's very spectacular actually. And in the piece I have seen, the unit I have seen, that's the black color with red rooftop. That's very spectacular looking. So yeah, meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye. Follow me on Instagram at revhard and yeah, I'll just be posting some instant reviews or else instant messages over there. So yeah, take care, bye bye.